The Masters of Science in Global Business Development, or MSGBD, is a year-long program. It is a program that is designed to give our students skills in, obviously, international business development, sales, marketing, and pursuing opportunities internationally. So we really put big emphasis on experiential learning. It is very heavily focused on real applications, real business applications. Students are working on 3 consecutive consulting projects with real companies and may have an opportunity to travel abroad. In the spring, they work with international companies that try to come on the US market. At the end of the program, students in their capstone course do a deep dive on business development into the US market.
Another unique feature is the broad regions in which the students come from to participate in this program. And so in addition to the curriculum, they also gain the exposure of collaborating with people from around the world.
But the idea of working or being together in a group with people that are international too was very attractive to me. I think 50% of our cohort is from somewhere. We have all kinds of countries: Denmark, England, Sweden, China, from everywhere. And then we are only 17 people. And the idea of working really closely in a group together and getting that individual support was what really stood out to me. You might think you will only learn from your professors, but you can learn so much from your peers and classmates. It's incredible. I didn't expect that.
I deal with several different countries on a daily basis, so just having that experience with other people of different backgrounds in the cohort definitely prepared me a lot. I think it was very beneficial, and in terms of a job perspective, right, I thought it helped me significantly having that master's degree.
So I was looking for a program that wasn't necessarily like a straight MBA program, but something that was a little more directed to what I wanted to do as the next stage of my career, which is business development.
The reason why the MSGBD program stands out the most is because of the globalized experience that it provides you. Here you get the real world experience, and being able to interact with international companies with a national and international mindset was the best for me.
We quantified what we studied and what we were learning, right? And that's something that I use on a day-to-day basis, just quantifying things for customers when you sell to them.
I think San Diego has the best weather in the US, and it's just fun to be here if you enjoy nature. Beaches all around, and also people here are very warm. That's what I like about San Diego.
I would recommend the MSGBD program to challenge yourself to get out of the comfort zone and really push yourself to the limits in an international mindset. Being in the MSGBD program will just expand your knowledge and open your mind to accept new opportunities that you don't even know that you have already there.